Happy New Year, everybody!
Woo!
Yeah!
Yeah! In order for us to celebrate this new year, we have lots of fireworks. Like this giant one we've never seen before. This is so big. And these are swords fireworks. What?
Yeah!
What? This is new. A ladybug firework? Oh yeah! Kind of look like a ladybug. And red car.
Tommy Turbo.
And we have a fun park with a bunch of stuff we can do.
Emma and Kate's not here because they're with Grandma. Let's get started!
Yeah! Ryan and I are gonna do the fun part.
First, we're gonna test out this sword. Yeah!
It's gonna be so cool because it's gonna be a fire from my sword.
Whoa.
You ready, Ryan? Oh, he's ready. Alright, let's light it up. Oh, there you go. Whoa, I'm gonna do it.
Wow.
I'm
Whoa.
going to.
Whoa. You guys. Whoa. Daddy, where are you going? Whoa, Ryan. Whoa, it's out. That's so cool.
Next, we're gonna try the sparkle. Hi-ya!
Ooh.
Whoa.
Okay, let's see if you can see this up.
Ooh, that's cool.
I'll trying to make a heart shape.
Oh, you guys see the heart shape Daddy's trying to make?
Magic spell! Hi-ya!
Next one is going to be the car.
Looks cool.
I wonder if it's gonna move. Like, so you light it up.
Yeah, I'll definitely move.
There you go.
Gonna go.
Whoa, that's so loud.
Whoa! Oh, Ryan, be careful.
That is so scary. No, I'm not getting this.
Ah.
Oh, how was that?
I never want to hear that again.
That was so loud, right? Yeah. That is huge.
And then I have to sit on the ground because it's a
Oh my, Ryan, you gotta be
What?
super careful, okay?
Okay.
The instruction says it's supposed to look like a smiley face. I don't know.
You guys ready?
Yep,
I'm scared.
me too.
Run!
Run! Oh. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, I don't see a smiley face though.
Whew, that was scary.
Did you see, Ryan?
Yeah, I saw. That was cool.
The kit has some other cool stuff in
This
there.
one seems fun.
What does it say?
This one says Fiesta Grande.
Oh, big party?
I'm scared.
Whoa! Oh, Daddy dancing! Woohoo! Be careful, Daddy. Wow. Oh, that was cool.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah. What's next?
Oh, I want to try this. Kaku.
Cuckoo! What is that? Cuckoo! Oh, there it is, guys. Whoa. How was that?
Very cool.
That was cool.
Whoa, this one says Solar
What is that?
Blaze.
Whoa, solar blaze. Okay, let's try that.
Oh, there you go. That's like the yellow one.
Yeah, they're all looking the same. It's a big smoke though. This one's super smoky. Look at that. Woo! That was smoky, right?
Yeah, that was very smoky.
I'm gonna try this Party Hardy.
Party hardy. Whoa. Ah! Ah!
That was fun.
Yeah. Woo!
Let's try the ladybug.
I was super excited about this one.
What does it do?
I don't know. Let's see if it's gonna look like a ladybug. 'Cause right now, it just looks like just red ball.
Yeah.
Should I just do two?
Oh, okay. I'm gonna go
3.
bold. Ooh.
Ready?
Yes.
Let's see if I can do 3 at the same
Oh
time.
my. Oh my. It's already going.
Hurry!
Oh no, Daddy. Daddy.
Guys?
Oh! It went way over here? What?
We have one more left. Yeah, 3.
Whoa! I didn't know ladybugs just shoots up in the sky like that. Whoa. Where'd it go? It doesn't even come down.
Flew
It just
away.
disappeared, flew away.
Yeah, it went beyond.
Maybe it went to our neighbor house.
Went that way.
Oh, it went way over there? Oh. Next, Daddy's gonna try this called Silver Rain. Oh my. Everybody move. I don't see the silver color. Ah! Woo! Wow.
Mommy, I think they messed up. They tried to make the color silver, but they made them rainbow.
Oh, it does look rainbow, huh? They're gonna try to draw something.
Here you go.
Oh, yeah. Happy New Year.
Drawing a circle.
I'm drawing a heart.
Oh, you guys see Ryan's heart? Whoa. I see the heart, yeah.
Look.
Wow.
Doctor Strange.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah, Doctor Strange.
Happy New Year, everybody.
Magic spell. Oh, yeah.
Oh my magic's gone.
Yours gone? Whoa. No more magic.
Ready for the giant finale, neon candle.
Last year we didn't do this big, right?
Yeah, this is
the biggest fireworks we ever
huge.
tried. Oh!
Guys, let's run. Oh, it just shoots up. Very cool. That's pretty. Nice. I liked it, that one. That's it.
Good.
That was good. Did you like it?
Yeah, that was very cool.
So this one's supposed to have a happy face, so a smiley face.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, move out. Move out, Ryan. Move out, Ryan. Move out. Whoa, that was super fast. Did you see?
Oh, I feel like it was upside down.
It was a frown face. Emma and Kate's home and they want to see some fireworks. So Daddy's over there. There's Emma. Hi, Emma. Too dark. Daddy's doing it. Are you ready, Kate? Yeah, okay, it's doing it. Whoa. Was that scary?
No, beauty.
That was pretty. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like it. Whoa. Fire! Oh, you see Ryan? Look! Whoa! Beautiful! What do you think? Good? Emma, you like it? You want to do it again? Well, that's a tank. Uh oh, he stands far.
Oh, never mind.
Oh, no loud? No, never mind.
Oh, never mind.
That's it. One more?
Yeah.
One more. Look. Oh, that's it? Oh, Daddy's way, way over there. If you guys see, he's doing one, shoots in the air. Whoa. Hi, everybody. It is New Year's Eve. The twins are just playing, waiting for the countdown. Emma's playing with the energy stick. Daddy is just hanging out with our cats. Aww. Good job. Yeah, good job. Yes. You like the energy stick?
Whoa.
Energy stick is pretty cool, huh? The energy stick works like this. It's on connections. So Mommy can just touch Daddy anywhere. And it lights up. Woo! 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 See? Woo! 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 Woo!
Cool.
Yeah. Hi. If you don't know, we have cats now. This is Pebbles, and that's Mr. Scratchy. What's so funny, Emma? What's so funny? What you doing over here, Kate? Oh. You're playing the xylophone? There you go. Good. All right, so this is our crazy blender. Have you seen it? Look, Kate, look. Kate, look at Mr. Crazy Blender. Whoa. What do you think? Woo. Is it crazy? It's crazy, huh? She's speechless. I'll turn it off. Woo.
It's New Year's Eve. We're gonna do the countdown.
Yeah, so we're gonna do it a little bit early because it's gonna be past the twins' bedtime. So everybody gets one of these little lay thing.
Ooh, nice.
There you go. You get a lay.
Nice.
Everybody gets one. Here you go. You put yours on.
Okay.
Okay, Mommy even have one too.
Let's do the countdown.
Yay.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Woohoo! Emma's trying. Look at her trying.
Super hard.
Aw, she's giving it to you, Kate. She's giving it to you. We even got some New Year glasses. Look at that. Happy New Year, everybody. What you guys think of the lighting up glasses?
Hard to see.
Can y'all see what's going on?
Can't see,
Now,
it's flashing.
all I can see is light.
Oh, really? This is what it looks like, you guys. When you guys wear on the glasses. It's hard to see. It's hard to see what's going on with the glasses. We also have some fun music here. We're all gonna sing a song. Yeah, there you go. You won.
You know how to use it?
Tambourine.
Here you go.
Yay, my favorite.
Here you go, Kate. You want it? Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year to everybody. Happy New Year to you. Everybody.
Yay! Hip hip hooray! There you go. Hip hip hooray! You guys ready for more New Year fun? Okay. I also have these little maracas. There you go. See? She wants that one. Aw, thank you. There you go. Mommy's gonna get 2 different colors. You want that one? Okay. Okay. What color did you get, Daddy?
Got pink and green.
Pink and green together. What color are you gonna pick, Ryan? There you go. Look, she's learning. Good job. Wow.
Where's green? Where's green?
You want green? Here you go.
She wants to try on the glasses. Look at her. Oh, you want to try on the glasses? What song do you guys want to sing?
Don't know.
Birthday.
Birthday, New Year again? Okay, ready, go. Happy New Year to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy New Year to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy New Year, everybody. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Woohoo. New Year to you. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Woo. And Ryan, we also got something else.
What is that?
Do you know what this is?
I have it in music.
Oh, really? It's in your music class? I don't know either. We also got so many different colors too, but we don't know what it's called. Oh, she wants to try on the glass seal. Oh, there, you look cute. I know, it's too big for you, Emma. Too big for you. Maybe next year. All right, so Emma picks a blue one. She's shaking it already.
Shake it.
There you go. Hi, you shaking? Yo, what song do you want to sing this time?
Ninjutsu.
What is Ninjutsu song? How do you play that?
Yeah.
I made it up.
You wanna just sing ABCD?
Okay.
Okay. Ready, go. A B C D E F G. Woohoo!
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P.
Q-R-S-T-U-V-W-X-Y-and-Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Here comes. Aww. Here comes the tickle. The tickle. Oh, she just got mine. We also have some fun soldiers toys here to celebrate the new year with us. It comes in different colors. It's a little soldier on a parachute. Look at that, isn't that cool? So Daddy and Ryan are gonna go upstairs and they are going to shoot it from the second floor. Woo!
Parachute party. So we're up here on the second floor and we have all these parachutes to throw it. Let's see, we have yellow, we have pink, and we have blue.
A lot of pink.
Yeah.
All right, guys, you're gonna throw it.
Okay, Ryan, go ahead.
Girls, look up there. Yeah, go ahead. Woohoo, soldiers. Wow. Oh, wow, 3 at a time. Woo. Wow. What y'all think? Wow. Woohoo. That was fun. What y'all think? They liked it. You liked it? Yeah? All right, guys, that concludes our new year. Now it's time for clean up, everybody do where you share. Clean up, everybody everywhere. So after we clean up, do you know what time it is?
Bedtime.
Bedtime, yeah.
Emma, bedtime.
No, she's not ready. We have to clean up first, right? All right, so now we're just putting in a bag and we're gonna save it for next year or later. There you go. Let's clean up. You girls, supposed to help cleaning up. Why are you running? You're supposed to help clean up.
I think she's going with the cat.
Oh, I think she wants to play with our cat.
Let's do the urban assault vehicle.
Okay.
You guys ready?
Ready.
Look. Hey, look. Look, get away. Emma, look. What? Whoa. Wow.
Wow, it's on fire. Look at that.
Whoa.
Can you believe it's on fire?
On fire!
It's lit.
Oh my gosh, it's melting.
I know.
It's melting. Oh my gosh, the wheels are coming off.
Wow.
Alright, firefighter coming!
Whoa. That's a lot of things. Next, we're gonna do chicken.
Oh, wow. Yay, that was it.
That was cool. It was like blue. Wait, no. It was green and red.
You like it? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so we found a bigger hen here. Let's see if there's anything different.
Whoa. Come down. 3, 2, 1. Whoa.
Wow, so many different colors. Wow.
Wow. That was so cool.
That was cool, huh?
Yeah.
Did you like it? Yeah, that was cool, huh?
Next, we're gonna do firecrackers.
You guys ready?
Wow.
Whoa.
That was cool, right?
Yeah.
But actually, Emma and Kate went inside because they thought the noise was too loud.
Yeah.
So it's just us. Are you ready to continue?
Yeah, but look at this.
What is that?
3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
3 at a time.
Whoa. Oh, wow. Don't worry, Ryan's way, way over there. You want to say hi, Ryan? Run! Whoa. Whoa. So that was it. That was Busy Bee for you.
That was Busy Bee, but this is Zombie Boy.
Ooh, it's an upgrade. Like that? Maybe. Maybe the fireworks gonna be like, do a little dance like Ryan.
Ha!
Ooh, zombie war. All right, Daddy, it's up to you. Here we go. Unleash the zombie. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, you guys didn't see that, huh? It just went into the sky. How was that? Good? How was that, Ryan?
Smoke is still flying through the sky.
Yeah.
Next we're gonna do sparkler.
Whoa.
Hold on. There you go.
Whoa.
Let's do some magic TNT.
Alright, get ready for this.
Stand back, guys. It's supposed to be magical. Whoa. All right, so we're gonna try this one. Whoa. Did you see that, Ryan?
Yeah, that was so cool.
Did you see all the fireworks in the air?
Yeah. Let's do more.
Alright guys, next one is the grenade.
Oh,
It's like a
grenade.
smoke grenade. Not real one.
Ryan, here's my grenade. Ready? Hey, Ryan dodged it.
It is smoke grenade.
Oh, it is a
Smoky.
smoke. Some smoke. Wow. Whoa, it's still going.
It stinks.
Is it you, Ryan? You stinky. I'm just
Whoa, it's
kidding.
still going.
Let's closer look. Oh, wow. It's super still going. You guys see that?
Are you guys ready for the
Finale with impending danger. Look at all the sharks on the packaging. Look how big it is.
I know. Do you have to unbox it?
No.
Is it a mystery box?
I know. It's a mystery.
What will it be? It's a mystery.
Where's Daddy go? Whoa, Daddy. Daddy's doing it way over there, guys.
Ready to run?
Ready to run. Run! Whoa! Okay, this is cool. Let me show you guys a clip of what we did before the fireworks. Ryan and the twins went swimming and it was so much fun, right? Cue the clip.
What?
We're just hanging out in the pool, right? You having fun? Oh no, Ryan! Emma's gonna get you! You did? Go, Kate! Go, Emma! Go, Kate!
Hey, be careful.
Go, Kate! Go, Emma! Go, Emma! You like it?
Hey guys. Whoa. Hi Emma.
Hi.
What you doing? You're swimming. Good job. Woohoo. Woohoo. Alright, let's see what Emma's doing here. Let's go to the secret cave.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, we're here.
Yeah, we're here.
Oh, hey, Kate. What are you doing? You good? Spinning Emma. Spinning Emma. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, spinning. Spinning, spinning. Whoa, whoa, where are you going? No, no, no. No, no, bye bye. Whoa, whoa, no. No, 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 Emma, come back to me.
No.
Yeah, come back to me. Oh, I'm gonna come get you then. Oh. Come.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye bye, Kate.
Now we're gonna watch Ryan's Mystery Playdate.
So if you guys don't know, Ryan's new show, Ryan's Mystery Playdate, is on Nickelodeon.
Great, because we have Mystery Playdate coming over. I want to go on the Playdate.
Oh, you want to go to the Ryan's Mystery Playdate show?
Daddy and Ryan.
Okay, next time we take you there, okay? Whoa, that's a big giant burger. You remember this episode, Ryan? I know. Whoa, look at Daddy flipping the giant burger. Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy. Ah!
Hey guys, Happy New Year.
Woohoo! Bye bye 2019. Hello 2020. Wow! Woo! All right, let's pop some fireworks.
Whoa. Okay guys, we're outside and Daddy's doing the fireworks. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right, guys, the fireworks gonna be this one, the biggest one in the package. Woo!
Oh.
It's a gold star. All right, let's go. Get the fuse. All right, just watch out.
Woo! Happy New Year!
So guys, this year's New Year's Eve is a little bit different. We're not gonna just do fireworks only. We're also gonna test out the Kyber crystals on lightsaber.
Whoa! Kyber crystals, they're gonna change my lightsaber color.
This one probably green. This one, I don't know, white. I never seen white lightsaber.
Gray.
And yellow. All right, let's test it out.
First, I want to test out the yellow one.
All right, Ryan chose yellow.
Because I've never seen yellow before.
Are you worthy?
Wow.
This is a special crystal only chosen Jedi can use. Are you chosen one? Whoa, 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 whoa. What's that color? Are you on the dark side? It's pretty dark outside, so maybe you're on the dark side.
No, I stole their lightsaber.
Oh, are you with the dark force like Kylo Ren?
No.
Oh.
Poopy force.
All right, let's open this yellow Kyber crystal. Whoa, look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Oh,
Oh,
crystal.
Daddy.
All right, so here's what we're gonna do. So first, have you seen opening a lightsaber before?
I have.
Alright, let's open this up. And you see this crystal inside.
The red one.
So right now we have a red one. That's why you see a red lightsaber beam. Take that one out. The yellow one. Oh, oh, oh. A seal. Hear that sound?
Okay, let's test it out. 3, 2,
Watch out.
1.
Whoa! This is yellow! Look at that color! Ooh. Looks like a Mountain Dew.
Ryan does.
No, it's not Mountain Dew. Wow, this is cool.
Let's fight.
Oh, what? Lightsaber versus just bare hand? Okay.
Now my hands can regenerate really fast.
Zoom, 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 zoom. Alright guys, so let's do more fireworks and then we can come back to the next lightsaber color, right? Next fireworks will be...
Light magic.
Ooh. Ready. Let's fire it up.
What'd you guys think?
That was cool.
That was cool.
You like it?
Yeah, it was
I'm
loud.
defending myself now.
Oh, this one looks cool. Orange float.
Oh, so it's just like the lightsaber, but the lightsaber's orange and it's floating.
Yeah, pretty much.
Ooh.
Mom, get away, get away.
Oh, that's pretty beautiful. Woo! Happy New Year! Whoa! Whoa, how was that one?
That was super cool.
Epic. Well, let's try one more thing.
Whoa!
Super short.
What was that? Something fell. Oh,
What?
something fell off. Right?
Oh my gosh, I think somebody did fireworks and it fell right there.
Whoa, whoa. That was
That's
really
scary.
Cool.
Whoa.
Alright.
Alright guys, we're gonna try another one. Let's see what this box does. Whoa. Beautiful Happy New Year.
Whoa!
That was the best one.
Yeah.
Alright, so guys, I'm gonna put this white crystal. Ah, let's see. Oh. Is it gonna work?
You're not worthy.
Oh no, it's not lighting up. Oh. Is it gonna work? Let's see. I'm nervous. Never seen white lightsaber before, so is it gonna work? Well, it's just a myth.
I want to try it.
Oh, shit, so it's registering. Alright, Ryan, you ready to try the legendary white lightsaber? Whoa.
Okay, I'm gonna try for the first time. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! It is really white.
Wait,
see
whose
the
team is
light?
this on? Is this like neutral?
Yeah.
So any of them can use it? Whoa.
So cool.
Chow, chow,
I
chow.
think it's almighty because if you mix all different light, different color lights, it becomes white.
Yep.
This is it. This is the almighty color.
Chow,
Whoa,
chow.
Whoa, whoa, be careful, Ryan.
Chow, chow.
So now we're gonna pop some fireworks before we head out on a trip, right?
Alright, ready?
So, yeah.
Set, go!
So we're gonna start out with just some poppers.
Whoa.
Warm up.
But I just dropped it. I dropped it on everything.
Go, Kay. Whoa.
I guess.
Oh yeah, mine just fell on the tip.
Yeah. Woo! Nice throw, Emma. Nice throw, Daddy.
Explosion magic.
Whoa.
Explosion magic. Oh.
One more?
I want some.
Okay.
Mommy wants some too.
Ryan wants some more.
Yeah.
Emma wants some more.
I got two. Yeah, go, Kay. There you go. Like your dance.
It's done.
All right, guys, let's throw this. All right, I throw this. Ready?
Next, we're gonna do this sparkler. Just enough for everybody.
Yeah.
Ready? Alright, here you go. Each one get one. Alright, Kate, you wanna do it? Okay, I'll get double.
Ooh.
You do two at the same time.
There you go.
Nice.
Hold it there, yeah.
Go, Emma. You can hold it sideways, Emma. Just don't point at people. Whoa. Nice. You feel like you're Dragon Ball? Yeah. Like, woo, like you have magical powers. Yeah. You okay, Emma?
Daddy, I'm still on.
Nice. Look at Daddy in the back. Doctor Strange. Yeah, I see. Yes. That's so cool, right? Done. Power's over.
This time I'm gonna go bigger.
Ooh.
Sparkler, but bigger inside.
Go bigger or go home, right? I mean, we're home, but
Light me.
you can watch with me, Kate, okay?
Can I tell you why you need a jacket?
Oh.
It's cold.
It is cold, yeah. There it is. One.
You can light it. You can light it.
Yay, go Emma. Nice, go Emma. It's your birthday. Ryan and Daddy. Yeah.
Look at this.
Nice. Oh my gosh, it's foggy everywhere. I cannot see anything.
Daddy, get
Woo! Go Daddy! Woo! Go Emma!
Alright, this one's called fountain. So you sit this on the ground and let it just do the work.
Ooh, like that, Ryan?
Yeah.
And I know, right?
Really loud.
Yeah.
Those tiny little.
Yeah. You like that?
I don't know what this does, so let's see. I guess I'll find out.
What is that, guys?
I have no clue. It says Roman candle.
Oh, okay. So candles.
There you go.
I was definitely like, oh, Daddy.
All right, Ryan's turn. Whoa. You like it? Yeah. All right, Emma's gonna try. Go, Emma. Whoa. Woo. Go, Emma. Nice. Good job, Emma. Yeah. Okay, Kate, you want to try this one?
There you go.
Okay, hold
Alright.
it with me.
Okay, get ready.
Go, Kate. Whoa. Go, Kate. Go, Kate.
You're gonna do it again.
Woohoo! We're gonna do it again.
Probably when it's sparkling.
Yeah. Whoa. Oh, the ground. Whoa.
You're very hard.
Yeah. Right? Drop it. All right, Emma's turn. Ryan, Kate's in dance battle there. Whoa. Go, Emma. Woo. Nice. Kate's turn. Dance battle. Woo. Go, Kate. That one flew all the way in the air. That was good. All right, Daddy. Show us how it's really done.
Oh yeah, I'll show you how the master will do it.
Woo!
Kadabra, kadabra. Wingardium Leviosa. Alright guys, we're gonna try the fountain again because it was awesome.
Yep.
Alright, here we go. Here it comes.
See, guys, look at all the smoke.
Whoa.
You see it?
Yeah.
All right, last sparkler.
Don't point at Ryan. Okay, everybody slowly look at mommy slowly. Yeah.
There you go. Woohoo! Happy New Year, guys!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! May your year, full of dreams come true, good health, and all that good stuff. Have fun with your friends and family. Woo. Any wish this year?
I want to be healthy.
Yeah, that's a good
Everybody.
one.
I want my whole family to be healthy.
Aww. Any New Year resolution for you guys?
Be very cool.
Cool, you are cool. You're already cool. You're already cool.
Alright. 3 combined. 3 musketeers.
And
Oh, whoa.
oh.